In the constellation of governance, Governor Abubakar Sani Bello's leadership skills stand out as iconic. On resumption into office as the executive governor of Niger State, Governor Abubakar Sani Bello employed a visionary strategy of investigating to identify the most economically attainable but abandoned road projects across all 3 zones of the state for the purpose of completion.
So when I came into office, I took it upon myself to complete some of the projects that I felt were in public interest. I noticed we have projects back in the 90s, like the concrete drainages the former President Ibrahim Babangida started to save and protect Mina from erosion.
With a finisher's mentality, His Excellency Governor Abubakar Sani Bello has repaired, rehabilitated and constructed to completion numerous road projects across the 3 geopolitical zones of the state, thereby connecting several communities and enforcing commercial and economic activities in Niger State. A few on the long list of these roads are the dualization of the old airport to New Market Road in Mina, the rehabilitation of Tegina Township Road, Rafi, the construction of the Fadukbe Begano White Hart Road, the dualization of Ndayako Dokoza GRA Club Road, Bida, His Excellency's administration is also on the verge of completing other ongoing road projects, such as the construction of Jubilee Road, Suleja, the 10-kilometer rehabilitation of Tegwai Dam Road, the intervention of His Excellency's administration in the repairs and construction of roads across the state is highly admirable. His governance has fostered the repairs and construction of federal roads which were damaged as a result of overuse by heavy-duty vehicles, such as the 105-kilometer rehabilitation and maintenance of the Mina to Suleja to Lambata to Diko Road, Bida to Mina Road, rehabilitation of Tegina to Brenin Gwari Federal Road, the interlocking project in Mina is that which is designed to make the metropolitan city a much smarter environment. Compared to asphalt, mortar or coal tar, interlocking concrete pavers has more benefits. They are 3 times stronger, easier to install and maintain. They move with the soil condition. They allow the reuse of rainwater back into the ground instead of flooding the streets. A view from the sky into these combinations of solar-powered streetlights, good road networks, and perfectly fixed interlockings makes Niger State stand out beautifully as a state with visionary leaders. His Excellency's care about the safety and security of lives and properties in Niger State has driven his administration into the Phase 1 completion of the police barracks in Mina, the construction of a fire service station, the supply of Mercedes-Benz firefighting trucks, backup water tankers, security patrol vehicles, and others. There is no doubt that Governor Abubakar Sani Bello's leadership qualities is that which is resolute to doing right by the people, as he constantly and carefully chooses projects that will have the most impact on the lives of all Nigerites. He is the man sworn to bring change to Niger State.